Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to change your Vercel project name. I'll show you this on the web dashboard. First, head over to your Vercel dashboard. Once you're there, find the project you want to rename and click on its card to open it. You'll see the project page load up with your deployment history and project overview. Now, look for the settings option in the sidebar. Click on that to open your project settings. Make sure you're in the project settings here, not your account settings. They're different areas. The settings page will load, and you'll see various configuration options available. Next, you need to get to the General Settings section. In the left sidebar of the settings page, click on General. It might already be selected by default when you open Settings, but if not, just click it. The General Settings page will display, and you should see the project name field right at the top. Now for the actual rename. Click on the project name field, it'll become editable. Clear out the current name, and type in your new project name. Keep in mind that project names need to be lowercase, and they can include letters, digits, periods, underscores, and hyphens. The name can be up to 100 characters long. Just make sure you don't use 3 hyphens in a row. That's not allowed. Once you've typed your new name, complete the save process. You'll know it worked when a toast notification pops up in the bottom right corner of the screen confirming that your project name has been updated successfully. The name change takes effect immediately. You'll see the new name reflected throughout your Vercel dashboard right away. Your deployments stay completely intact during the rename, so there's no downtime or interruption to your work. The same goes for your Git connections. Those remain unaffected, so your deployment pipeline keeps working exactly as it did before. Basically, renaming is a purely cosmetic change on the Vercel side, and nothing about your project's functionality or integrations gets disrupted. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, smash that like button and I'll see you in the next video.